Hey, I'm Rusty Williams. This is Jake Rubendall. Welcome to the Williams Roth Group Monthly Minute. Our team specializes in representing buyers, sellers, landlords, and tenants for industrial real estate here in San Diego County. Jake, I'm going to ask Jake a few questions, but Jake, I know you've heard this and we've seen this on the residential side. The markets are absolutely on fire. A buddy of mine listed his house for $1 million. He had 50 showings, 18 offers, all of them above asking price. Like, that seems crazy to me. Either they're not pricing it correctly or what's going on. Are we seeing that in the industrial world? What's going on with the industrial
Yeah,
side?
I mean, it's similar in the industrial world right now. You know, there's a lot of demand from different types of buyers just to get into that market. You know, there's not as much demand for office and retail, some would say, so there's a lot of money concentrated on industrial real estate right now.
Right. What about cap rates? What kind of cap rates or price per square foot are we seeing?
Yeah, so cap rates are at some of the lowest points we've ever seen. They're kind of in that mid-5 range.
Right.
We just sold a building in Vista for a 5.8 cap with 3 years left on the lease, and it was a pretty good, healthy price per square foot.
Right.
So there's just a lot of demand for that smaller, leased industrial investments coming from private money, exchange money, you know, some institutional money.
So if somebody's looking to maybe sell their building and do a leaseback, be a great time to do that.
Yeah, right now is a great time. You know,
Okay.
we can kind of do that. You know, give you a valuation
Sure.
on what it's worth. And all that.
What about the bigger stuff? Let's talk. 50,000 square feet and up, mostly lease, some sale, but mostly lease. What's going on in that segment?
So in that size, you know, as we get 50,000 square feet and larger, kind of the bigger blocks of space, there's a lot of demand from tenants as they try to lease space. There's just not a lot of options out there. We're tracking a lot of the bigger, spaces in San Diego County, and most of them are accounted for. It's really kind of competitive on the tenant side as well.
Right.
So if you're a tenant and you're looking for space in the next year or 2 years, it's better to get started on your search, sooner rather than later.
Based on what we're tracking, it seems to me, and I'm just a real estate broker, but it seems to me there's more tenants than there are spaces.
I would concur with that.
Okay.
We're tracking a lot
In
of the
certain
larger
segments.
tenants. Yeah, I mean, some of the tenants out there, they've already accounted for space, and some are left without a space.
Right. So if you need space, start looking early. Give us a call. We'll tell you what's on the market. We'll tell you what's coming to the market. If you're looking for an investment deal, you're not alone. There's a lot of people looking for investment deals, but call us because we'll tell you about the off-market stuff. Give you a first look at it before it hits the market. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.